size 19. Parking brake is down here. Put it down there with your foot. Now if the parking brake is on, should be nice and tight, just like that. I only reuse these if they're not stripped bad. This came out pretty good, so we'll reinstall this. Let it back up. Other one should be down here. Wipe that off. I'll clean that up. Let me see. Perfect. What are you? A E? Whatever that means. E, 4-way. So the other 18 is down here. I have to use a socket on that. Yeah. It's the bottom bolt. It has red thread locker on it. I wonder why it's so hard to remove. NICs. The shins, great. Got your pads. This goes on the inside. Just like that. Notice the squealer goes on the inside. Squealer always goes on the inside. Prepare. Gotta start screwing you in. Notice that I'm doing this by hand. Just like that. Nothing more. Nice little coat there. Coat the claws.